Hi Cheryl. Oh my gosh, I hope you love this. We basically spent an entire day trying to decide where to place the special beads to give it the accents that would really make this gorgeous and just really magnificent to look at. So basically, we'll be giving you the instructions if this is the version that you would like and if you approve of it. But we've used a lot of special beads. We've used blood crystals, flamingo pearls, vermilion crystals, chili pearls, mahogany pearls, auburn crystals, old gold diamonds, electric diamonds, lightning diamonds, fire opal crystals, sapphire crystals, and alexandrite crystals. So I'm pretty sure that you're going to have a ball conducting your special treatment on this, similar to what we have shown you right now. So hopefully you like it. Let us know.